Welcome to the modern theory of the gravitation. For the objective of this lesson, we have to describe gravity based on general relativity, explain the consequences of the postulate of general relativity, determine how the general relativity can be observed in a real-life situation. So we have here general gravity based on general relativity. So the general relativity is the theory which is developed by Albert Einstein. And it's explained that the gravity now is not a force pulling object together, but as the curvature of the space time. So according to this theory, object with mass such as planet and star bend or wrap space-time around them, and other objects move along this curve, which we observe as gravity. So for example, the Earth moves around the Sun because the Sun bends the space-time around it. So ang sinasabi niya, it's not a force, pero may curvature talaga of the space-time. And that is the gravity based on general relativity. So number two, we have here the consequences of the postulate of the general relativity. These are the general relativity leads to several important predictions. Number one, we have here the gravitational time dilation. Dito, the time moves slower in stronger gravitational. So, ibig sabihin, mas mabagal daw yung paggalaw ng time sa mas malakas ng gravitational field. So, example daw nito, time near a massive object like planet or a black hole runs slower compared to the areas with a weaker gravity. So, ibig sabihin, mas mabilis yung time ng takbo ng mga object or yung mga planet na malapit daw sa black hole kesa daw dun sa mga object na malayo or may weaker gravity, di ba? Kaya nga sinasabi nila na sa moon daw matagal ang time dilation, okay? So sa Earth natin naka-thousand of years na, sa moon ay hours pa lang. So yun yung tinatawag natin na time dilation. Next, we have here the gravitational lensing. So dito ay the massive object can bend the path of the light traveling near them. So this effect allow astronomer to see the distance of the galaxy whose light is bent by massive object in the space. So ibig sabihin, kapag daw yung massive object ay nagbe-bend, para daw ito yung light traveling near them, makita yung light traveling na malapit. And of course, a black hole is a large amount of mass concentrated in a very small space. And space-time become extremely curved, okay? So, ito daw yung forming a black hole where gravity is so strong. Ito yung tinatawag nila na black hole na napaka-strong ng gravity that light cannot escape. So, masyado daw malakas yung gravity nito. Ito yung nakikita natin na sinasabi nilang black hole. In real life observation of the general relativity, so meron tayong tinatawag na GPS satellite. So yung satellite clock experience is slightly different gravity compared to the clock of the Earth. So iba daw yung clock experience daw ng gravity compared sa Earth. Scientists adjust for this effect to ensure accurate GPS navigation. And of course, yung scientists, in-adjust na nila yung para magkaroon tayo ng accurate na GPS navigation. And for the gravitational wave, so these are the ripples in space-time caused by the massive objects such as the merging ng black holes or the neutron star. Ito yung tinatawag nating gravitational waves. Ito yung mga merging ng mga black holes, yung mga neutron star natin na pupunta sa black holes. Next is the gravitational lensing in astronomy. Astronomers observe the distance of galaxies that appear distorted because their light bends around the massive object like the galaxy cluster. So this is all about for lesson 6. For the quiz, so identify the correct answer, write the answer on the block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for listening.